Oh, thank you so much for supporting me. I will appreciate your energy and effort. I pray to God to bless you all. 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 Yeah, this is Mora FC. Welcome. Thank you so much. We're gonna do some simple blouse for a girl, how to cut it, So let's get started. The length from the shoulder to the waist is 9, so I added 1 each for the sewing allowances. And the chest is 22 divided by 4, you're gonna get 5.5. I added 1.5 to it, I get 7, and I added another 1 inch for that. That will give me 8. Then you cut it out. Big up to everybody. Give big out. Big out to you. Big out to you. Thank you so much. I will appreciate everyone. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. If you have already subscribed, just click on the notification bell and give me a thumbs up and support. So that's the back that I'm working on it. I'm gonna cut the back. I'll leave 1 inch for the zip side. So if you want to cut this, you can cut this. You can use this as your pattern and cut it before you put on your fabric and start cutting it. So I'm just cutting it straight. You can get your pattern and just pattern paper and just cut it on it. But I'm just cutting it straight from the fabric. Just good to go. It was my mom's clothes and I just turned it out. The shoulder is 11, so you're gonna get 5.5. And you added ½ inch for sewing allowance, and for the sloping I came down by ½ inch. It's for kid, so I came down by ½ inch. And the arm side make it 5 inch. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. If you are already subscribed, Charlie, make it give me a thumbs up and support this movement. I thank you so much. That's the neck I'm working on. I make it 2 inches by 2 inches. I don't want the neck to be very, very big, so just making 2 inches. Like I said, you can get your pattern, then you cut it on it, then you work on it. I'm gonna make my dart. This is the place that I make my dart. I measure 2.5. Okay, so just have measure 2.5 and just make a dart for the kid. It's not an elder that I have to go by nipple to nipple. It's just a kid, so you just have to make it simple for them. And it's gonna look amazing on them. So if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to support this movement, comment and share your knowledge and wisdom, what you think, what you have in mind. Let's support one another. Let's be there for one another. You can see I measure 3.5 from that part. But when I was trying to measure ½ inch below, I saw that it's very big. So I have to raise it up and measure 3 inches. 3 inches. Then I came down from the front. This is the front part. I'm still working on it, so I came down by ½ inch. You can make it 1 inch, but don't go below 1.5 inch. You can make ½ inch or 1 inch for that part. It's okay if you go deep, gonna go deeper. So after you cut it out, you need to get your lace. Like I said, it was my mom's clothes and I just turned everything up, trying to recreate it and give it to my niece. I have a lot of nieces, so they always want me to sew something for them. Imagine having the 5 knees and you have to sew everything for them. You have to sew. You can't sew the one and leave one. You just have to sew it. All of them something. So I'm working on a lace. You gotta put it on it and cut the same sizes. Cut the same. It's more FC. You know what it is, man. Just have to put it on it and cut it out. Once again, thanks for supporting. Hey, sorry for my hand. My younger sister is the camera. She's the one recording me. My younger sister. So I'll put a lace somewhere and I'm gonna make my curve thing. I shouldn't have to cut this one yet, but I just cut it out. That top is not needed, but I should have to cut it out yet. I'm supposed to finish with the back before I cut it out. So I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna use it. I'm just trying to show you how it's gonna look like after we're done. This is how you're gonna look after you sew your clothes and everything. It's gonna look like this. So I just cut it just to show you how it's gonna look. You can see I did not throw it away. I still have it. So I fold the place I'm gonna put my lace there. I put the front again on it like this. Just wanna trace and cut the back. Working on the arm. Give me a thumbs up, support, show some love. Show me some love, baby. Show me some love. I'm gonna work with the neck. First I measured 2 and I found out the 2 is gonna be big, so I have to reduce it to make it 1.5. That's how fashion is, You gotta read and see how it's gonna be. You just when doing something, you have a doubt on it, you just have to recheck it and see and get everything correct. If the thing is big for you to see that the neck is going to be, you have to reduce it. You can see that I make it 1.5 at the back. I don't want the neck to be very big. I measured 2.5 for that. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. You know what it is, I'm just making notes for where my dart is, because I'm gonna sew half inch from that point to the top. I'm just teaching you, this is how to cut it, so I'm just telling you how to cut this fabric. So you put it on it, you cut your lace. Make sure everything's on place, This tutorial is only about to teach you how to cut this simple blouse for kid. This one we're just cutting it from the top to the waist. You have to add the bottom to it, the full length to it. So this you can you can make your gathers, or you can make your flare and put this one on it. You see, it's just the blouse. I'm just teaching how to cut it, and I have some other tutorial coming how to teach you how to do gathers, how to teach you how to cut flare. This channel is gonna teach a lot, so stay tuned. Show some love and stay tuned. Like I said, get your sewing machine because it's gonna get great. So you measure your 3-inch, like we did the front. Here we are not going to curve it like the way we curve it. This one we're gonna make it like a slope, straight line. So you have to come down by 1 inch, like that. The reason why the front one we make the curves because of the breast, it designed the breast out. But here just your back, so you just have to cut it straight like this, and voila, here we go. So when you put it on it, it's gonna be something like this. I'm gonna cut this one to 2 because I have a zip that I'm gonna fix it in. If you are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, comment and share. Like I said, we are just cutting under the brow. I'm gonna use it to pop the neck, the neck side. You don't want to pop the neck and the back. When you cut, you can cut like 1 inch or make it 1.5. You can cut 1 inch and pop it at the neck. So we're gonna take our lining. We have to cut the facing to it because you have to sew that part. We can't leave that part like that. Just have to cut the facing. There is more tutorial that I'm going to be teaching on this channel. We are just taking everything step by step. So keep following the thread, keep supporting the movement. I will appreciate that. So this is the back. I'm cutting the facing of the back. So that I can sew on top and turn it up. And this is the front. I'm cutting it facing as well. So thank you so much for your love. God bless you. Yeah, you guys show me love. Thank you for commenting, thank you for liking it, thank you for everything, for subscribing it, thank you. Guys, you're good. So read the face, you guys see I'm cutting the facing of the line. I will appreciate your love, your time and your energy. God bless you. Guys, you are so good. Thank you so much. Big ups to everybody. Big ups to you all. Respect, love to you all.